Hello. Today, configure a WireGuard server on Android using WG Tunnel. WireGuard is a VPN known for speed and efficiency. First, search UDP Custom. Click the website. On the home page, tap the menu. Scroll to SSH select WireGuard server. Enter your username, complete reCAPTCHA, then click Create Account. After the countdown, your server generates. Copy to clipboard. Next, go to Google Play Store, search WG Tunnel. Install it. Open the app. Tap the plus icon. Select Copy from Clipboard. Imports the server. To adjust, tap the server profile, then Settings. Open Edit menu. In Endpoint, add a valid SNI before the address. Click Save. To activate, tap the radio button. Your VPN starts. That's it. You've configured WireGuard on Android using WG Tunnel. Enjoy secure VPN. Is helpful, like, share, subscribe. Thanks.